All right, everybody, upon request, I am trying to record a video for you, trying to show you the before, during, after, and in lieu effects, just so you can see what do I mean by those words, how do they function, that kind of thing. I have to create this video from home, and I do not have the Creative Cloud nor Audition loaded on my home computer. I use Studio One at home, so I'm using Studio One to show you this process, but it's going to be very similar in Audition, and the definitions will be the same. So hopefully you'll still learn via this video. All right, so let me share my screen out. All right, so here's Studio One. If the effect is present and then the dialogue, then this is a before effect. So it would sound something like this. And then I saw a helicopter. Okay, so that is before. If the words come out and the sound is happening while the words are there, that's a during effect. And then I saw a helicopter. So the helicopter is happening during the dialogue. If the dialogue happens and then the sound, then that's an after effect. Which when it's after, it's not going to get in the way of things, so I can turn it up a little bit. And then I saw a helicopter. And then if you decide that you just want the sound, but you don't want the words that are describing the sound, then that's called an in lieu. And then, okay, so let me show you those in review really quick. The effect is happening before the dialogue. The effect is happening during the dialogue. If it's happening during, you usually have to turn it down a little bit. The effect is happening after the dialogue. The effect is happening instead of the dialogue. So those are the 4 ways I ask for you to show me mastery of your use of effects. And then in addition, don't forget that I need you to label where those things are happening. So if this is a before effect, then I would title this track before. If it was an after effect, then I would change the track to after. Some of you are going to choose to put multiple effects on the same track. So you might name it at a clip level instead. This is the before, so it's labeled before. This one might be happening instead of, so I've labeled it in lieu. And so you can change those. I don't think the right click works on other versions. Like I don't think it works on Audition. It might. If this was an after effect, then I have the word after here. This is before, that's after. There is a way to change the clips titles over in the right where you see the effects rack and all that stuff. You can actually select your clip and the attributes of the properties of the clip will come up over here to the right, and then you can change the clip title. So it's up to you. You can either name it at a track level or at a clip level. Just make sure that it's going to be easy when we have our interview or when you're interviewed by your peers, whatever the case may be, that you know that all 4 effects are present. Okay, I hope that this helps you. Take care.